So hey guys, welcome to YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off the shutter sound of camera in Android phones. Before starting the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. So let's begin the video without any further ado. So first of all, go to the camera app. Then here you can see a three lines coming at the side of the camera app. Click on the three lines, go to the settings. Here you can see shutter sound option. You can turn it off by simply clicking on it. Here are some other features too, like watermark. You can add your own watermark here too. You can just turn it on. You can add your device model. You can add your location. You can add your date, time. You can add your custom text, anything you want to write, numbers, text, anything. You can just save. You can also select the font size. You can also select where the text to appear, like let's say bottom left, it's come to the bottom left. Let's say top left, it's come to the top left. Here are some other great features too, like the shooting methods. Here the first feature, tap to capture. If you turn the first feature on, while your camera app is on, you can tap on the screen anywhere to capture the picture. And here in the second option, if you turn it on, you can capture your pic by showing your palm. It's really useful when you are taking a group selfie or anything like that. There are some other features you should consider by looking on it, but in today's video we were talking about the shutter sound. So let's keep the video short. If you need any further help, you can comment down below. So that's all for today's video. Let's meet in the next video. Before going, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.